Hello and welcome to Finextra TV. I'm Liam Xavier and you join us at Sibos 2025 in Frankfurt. Helping with the conversation on cross-border payments is Stanley Wachs, Head of Europe and Africa at Dandelion Payments. Welcome to the studio.
Thank you very much. Good morning, Liam.
Morning, yeah. So we're here at Sibos, pretty busy. What trends are you seeing right now around here at cross-border payments landscape and what might be shaping the future?
Sure, look, it's been an amazing couple of days at Sibos. We've had at Dandelion Payments probably more than 80 meetings with global banks from around the world. And a couple of themes have come out of these meetings, but also some of the debates and panel sessions across this excellent event. I think the first one has been around the movement towards real-time cross-border payments. Customers are expecting the same experience from a cross-border payment that they have with a domestic payment. That means fast, efficient, and low cost. We've also seen definitely a theme around transparency on fee and FX across the chain. So customers who send money across the world are expecting their beneficiary to receive the money in full and not have multiple deducts around the way. A lot of banks are also moving away from the traditional correspondent banking models that involves a lot of intermediaries along the chain and are looking for partners that can enable them direct to local to bank connectivity. What that means is that it enables a much better customer experience for them and their customers, and ultimately the ability for them to get market share from Fintechs that have been attacking their cross-border payments business. Last but not least, I think one of the key themes that I've seen across these few days, it has been a theme of collaboration. Collaboration between banks and companies such as Dandelion Payments in the way that there are many bricks that banks need to solve for to improve their cross-border payments capabilities. And often they're debating whether they should build it internally or whether they should collaborate with a partner to actually address that concern. Dandelion has come in to help banks across this event, in particular Citibank, who announced a partnership with us to leverage our mobile wallet capabilities. And we've had many other conversations and look forward to doing much more to help banks augment their payment capabilities across the world.
Last time we spoke, we were in Amsterdam at Money 2020, and we were talking about mobile wallets. How is this now a challenge for banks who perhaps aren't optimized for mobile wallets?
I think the key challenge is that on one hand, there's a growing demand from banks' customers around their ability to enable them to send money to emerging markets onto mobile wallets. However, banks have not, for many yet, established direct connectivity to mobile wallets into these markets that often are the only way for a customer to access the financial ecosystem. That's where we have come in. We have established over the last 35 years direct connectivity with banks, but also mobile wallet providers in many emerging economies. And that enables us to provide a seamless, very fast, real-time, in minutes, customer experience so that money is sent from any country around the world and can be credited onto a mobile wallet in minutes, which is, from an experience standpoint, superior quality than anything that exists in the industry.
And other challenges for banks, why are they particularly struggling with cross-border payments in emerging markets?
So emerging markets have, I think, not necessarily always been a focus for banks. They have been relying on their SWIFT direct connectivity. However, SWIFT in a lot of the long-tail emerging economies still poses some issues in terms of payment transparency, pricing, the beneficiary not getting the amount in full, multiple deductions along the way, and in general, a service that is not real-time. At Dandelion Payments, that's what we're here to solve for and help banks with. We provide attractive exchange rates on exotic currencies in emerging markets. We've established a global network of direct-to-local connections with nearly 1,000 banks around the world that enables us to process transactions in minutes in any jurisdiction around the world. In fact, today, just to finish, we can do global disbursements in 200 countries and 123 currencies.
Wow, great finish point there and very impressive. Looks like an exciting space to be in and an evolving space. So thanks for joining us once again.
Thank you very much.